Good afternoon, July 23, 2025. Our text today is from Philemon 1 1 to 4. I always thank my God as I remember you in my prayers. Philemon 1 4. Remember in prayer. Malcolm Cloud was named a 2021 Monday honoree by Queen Elizabeth II, and woman Cloud, who was 100 years old at the time of the recognition, was honored for having given out 1,000 Bibles during his lifetime. Wow, 1,000 Bibles. Cloud has kept a record of everyone who has received a Bible and has prayed for them regularly. Cloud's faithfulness in prayer is a powerful example of the kind of love we find throughout Paul's writings in the New Testament. Paul often assured the recipients of his letters that he was regularly praying for them. To this friend Philemon, he wrote, I always thank God, my God, as I remember you in my prayers. Philemon 1:4. In his letter to Timothy, Paul wrote, Night and day I constantly remember you in my prayers. 2 Timothy 1:4. To the church in Rome, Paul emphasized that he remembered them in prayer constantly and at all times. Romans 1:9-10. While we might not have 1,000 people for those we know is powerful, while we might not have 1,000 people to pray for, like Malcolm, intentional prayer for those we know is a powerful because God responds to our prayers. When prompted and empowered by His Spirit to pray for a specific individual, I found a simple prayer calendar can be a useful tool. Dividing things into a daily or weekly calendar helps me to faithful to pray. What beautiful prayer, what beautiful demonstration of love when we remember others in prayer. Father, help me to be faithful in prayer, knowing you always hear me. Thank you, Lord, for answering prayers. Thank you, Lord, for successful operation of co-teacher. This is Isidora Pantolion. Successful right leg prayer. Surgery. Thank you for all who prayed for me with Mrs. Isidora, my BFF Annie. Thank you very much.